Hello everyone. Apple has unveiled AirPods Pro 3. It will be available to order today for $249. It has come up with various features including hearing aid, heart rate sensor, and live translation. So everyone is talking about the live translation. That live translation demo of this Apple's new AirPod Pro, it's like it seems it's very seamless. Okay, so it's like very smooth like that. If you watch the demo, it's looking like that. Okay, but we don't know whether really how it's working. Okay, and even MKPHD tweeted about it. He's saying that AirPods Pro 3, the new foam infused air tips, two times the ANC performance versus last generation. Live translation. Okay, so it is powered by Apple Intelligence. Okay, and some of them are talking about heart rate sensing with the new AirPod Pro 3. Okay, two people wearing AirPods Pro 3 will get live translation both ways. Okay, so world's best active noise cancellation ANC, live translation, 8-hour battery, IP57 resistance, smaller design that fits more ears, heart rate sensors for calorie tracking. Okay, so a lot of things are there. That is why it is trending right now. Apple event is going on. That is one reason. But basically, this product is getting attention from various people. Okay. So share your thoughts about this AirPods Pro 3. Whether you are planning to buy this, make your comments. Thanks.